We start with the dove in the bird bath trying to take a bath when a male northern cardinal shows up. After the dove leaves, the cardinal comes back for his chance at the bird bath, but then the big bully dove comes back and chases him off. The dove and the cardinal tolerate each other for a few seconds, but then the cardinal leaves, and shortly after that the dove leaves, and shortly after that the cardinal comes back. Now we have a couple of clips from my neighbor of the skunk at his water hole. This video shows a swarm of doves at the water bowl. This started happening a couple of months ago, that all these doves would show up between basically 5:30 and 6 every day. I could put more of these pictures up and show you different days, but trust me, it's happening. I don't know why. I've never seen it before, but they do get together. I don't know, maybe it's a social thing or whatever, but just wanted you to see it. I'm showing you the short segment because this is a Gila woodpecker that's at the water bowl. They're around quite a bit, but I don't see them at the water bowl very often. I'm showing you this clip because of the hummingbird that's working on the autumn sage in the lower left corner. This clip made the cut here because of the vigorous dueling baths that these two birds are having. It's just so fun to watch. They really get into it. Yep, raccoon. They're around, but we don't see them very often. Our little skunk friend is back to get a drink of water, and as he leaves the water bowl, he kind of gallops off to the right, and then he even sits up kind of like a dog. Apparently, doves also gather at my bird bath around the same time, 5:30, quarter to 6. You saw that video just a couple clips ago. Well, here's 4 or 5 doves gathering at the bird bath. Have you ever had one of those days when you're trying to take a bath and you just constantly keep getting interrupted? Well, this poor curve-billed thrasher is trying to get a bath, and it looks like there's a cardinal, possibly a perhaluxia, and these finches that just keep aggravating him. But he eventually does get his bath and leave. I'm showing you this one because it appears to be that female Gila woodpecker that comes to the water bowl. Well, not water bowl, the bird bath. Ken, this one's for you. You asked me if I've been seeing very many rabbits lately because you have not. Well, here they are. Check out this video. Rabbits are so weird, they even scare each other. And in this one, you'll see one take a bath in the water bowl by accident. In this clip, we have 2 and then 3 cactus wrens at the bird bath. Then a male northern cardinal shows up. Everybody seems to be getting along, and we even have a male house finch show up, and everybody got along. Not everybody took a big bath, but nobody flew away. I'm showing you this clip because the bird on the right appears to be a female cardinal. They have the top knot, and then it looks to me like her beak is a little reddish, and she does appear to have a little red on the breast. That's what the female northern cardinal looks like. There are other birds that have the top knot called perhaluxia, but they're not exactly the same as the cardinal, but in the family. Again, we have 2 cactus wrens and the male northern cardinal at the bird bath. And I have to tell you, out of all the birds that show up, kind of doves are the bigger bullies. The little cactus wrens, man, they are tough. They leave when they want to leave. They don't usually get scared off by anything. So just fun to watch these 2 different species of birds get along at the bird bath. Hey guys, there's Lucy and Cha-Cha. It's a cool day today and they're keeping each other nice and warm, taking a little nap. They're full-size cats now, so they don't usually sleep together anymore because...
Lucy and Cha-Cha. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Oh, Lucy, you're so cute. Uh-oh, we interrupted them. There we go. Now Cha-Cha says I got the whole thing to myself. Cha-Cha, you're so pretty. And there's Lucy. There you go, Cha-Cha. That's a good girl.
Huh?
He'll go in the machine.
Would-
All right.
I think right that
See you later.